In the bustling city of Karachi, Sahil Khan, a charismatic and dedicated Sindhi political leader, stood as a beacon of hope for many. He was a fierce opponent of cooperative farming policies imposed by the government, which he believed disadvantaged the local farmers. His powerful speeches and steadfast convictions had earned him a swelling following among those fighting for agrarian reform. But Sahil's rising prominence and outspokenness had not gone unnoticed by more sinister forces. An international terrorist organization, with vested interests in maintaining the status quo, plotted to silence him once and for all. On a warm afternoon, Sahil attended a public rally in Karachi. As he stood atop the platform, his voice projected with fierce determination, advocating for the rights of his people. The malicious plot unfolded. In a flash, a bullet whistled through the air, striking him down amid the crowd's horrified gasps. Rushed to the hospital, Sahil fought for his life, surrounded by his closest supporters and family members. Outside the hospital walls, the news spread like wildfire. Thousands poured onto the streets, chanting slogans in his support, demanding justice for their silenced leader. The city echoed with the cries of the protesters, "Justice for Sahil," their voices a siren call for change. Each chant was not only a plea for Sahil, but a demand for a system that had repeatedly failed its people. The corrupt mechanisms of justice, deeply embedded within the state, showed no signs of movement. Weeks passed. Sahil lay in a hospital bed, clinging to life as investigations stalled, predictably tangled in bureaucratic red tape and corruption. The terrorist organization continued its shadowy operations. Despite the grievous state of affairs, Sahil's followers refused to relent. They organized peaceful protests, vigils, and solidarity marches, always pushing forward even as hope flickered precariously. They understood that Sahil's struggle was their struggle, a symbol of resistance against the oppressive systems. In the end, Sahil Khan's attempted assassination laid bare the deeply entrenched injustices. But it also ignited a relentless fire among his followers, bitterly aware that in the fight for justice, the voice of one cannot be so easily silenced. His cause was now etched into the hearts of many, a powerful reminder that even the most corrupt systems can be challenged by the unwavering spirit of determined people